Well, back guys to another fed here on Fog Entertainment, and we're going to be doing What If Pope Killed Tig. Obviously, there was a few instances where this could have happened, like the season 5 premiere, you know. Obviously, when he captures Tig, he captures Tig's daughter. He's like, kill me, please, kill me, please, kill me. Like, Kim Coates doing a pretty good job there in the acting department. But obviously, Pope's like, that'd be too easy, son. So he basically burns Tig daughter alive. And that is basically what this thumbnail's all about. But yeah, I feel like Sons of Anarchy did some mad shit. Fucking school shootings, kids getting burned alive, kidnapped, all sorts. I mean, that's not even touching the fuck. Severed heads in Chile. What a fucking show. No wonder it's my favourite. It's best of gear. But I'm not really thinking about what if Pope killed Tig then. I'm thinking more towards the end of the season, and I'm thinking the season finale. Obviously here, Jax hands over Tig to Pope, but it's all part of his master plan in order to bring down Clay, get him arrested, because he's like, I can't kill him, because the club didn't want it. And then, basically, he saves Tig, he shoots all Pope's bodyguards, he gives Tig the gun, Clay's gun. Tig, then, you stupid cracker bitch, do you even know what happens to kill me? Oh, I'm counting on it. Good night. Few rounds in Pope's skull. Tig kills him. And then Tig realizes it's Clay's gun. Jack's like, you got a problem with that, buddy? And then nope, they hug it out. Clay gets sentenced for the murder. Tig survives, and then obviously, yeah, there's a few more things in season 6. So we're not going to get into it, like August marks and shit. But that's into over. Tig here. Like, what would have happened? You know? Like, just say Pope tortured Tig for a bit, or maybe just killed Tig, shot him the way he shot him. Like, in terms of Pope, no, I don't think anything would have happened. I think everything, Jax and the club's deals just would have been, you know, normal that way, right? But like, how would Jax have explained to the club like what happened to Tig? Like he said, like obviously he says earlier in the episode that him and Tig are going to put an end to the dog running, like the dog fighting thing. So how would he have explained how Tig died? You know, like, and would Pope have really been fucking bothered about like letting it slip? I'm not saying letting it slip to the rest of the club, but I mean, you know, what I mean, like, would that have ever got out? And it's interesting. And obviously, like August marks. I mean, they managed to get them the gun deal with the Irish. Then obviously in season 7, you know, like what would have happened with the whole war? Jack's going against Pope, would that have been more deadly than going against Marks? Maybe Pope could have been more of an ally, would have understood it because like obviously he lost his daughter, and he would have got Jax's pain. So yeah, I don't really know what would have happened, but that's why I love Sons of Anarchy. It's like there's so many like decisions and like deaths like that could have played out so differently. Like I don't know, you look at other top TV shows and it's like it's just they don't matter. You know what I mean? Like for example, like in The Walking Dead, when Negan kills like Glenn Abraham, he could have killed any other two, wouldn't have changed fuck all. You know what I mean? But in Sons, I don't know. Like obviously, like when Kozik gets blown up, that could, I guess you could argue that could have been anyone, but at the same time, like you know what I mean? And I just feel like there's decisions in Sons of Anarchy that matter. Like seeing Breaking Bad when there was like a meeting, for example, like in the wee fucking camper fan esque thing at Gus's restaurant, and they bring over the wee pull out table. I'm like, look at Sons of Anarchy compared to this shit, you know, guys. But anyway, that's what would have happened if Pope killed Tig. Leave your thoughts down below. Till next time, peace.